Alright, Camso DTS129 riders. Here is a Zbroz Racing rear shock strut. Unboxing it, taking a look. Let's see what we got. Oh, it's heavy. Well, not really heavy, but you know. I'm going to do this quick because I record this on my phone. I don't know how much storage I've got, but I wanted to show it to you guys. Oh, look at that. That is beautiful. Would you look at that? 4 spacious skies. Looks like we've got everything we need here. I'm looking for preload adjustment. I see the preload. I'm looking for dampening adjustment. I don't see where it's on there, but that's not to say it's not on there. But man, that is a nice piece to replace the strut. I didn't know if I wanted to spend $500 and some odd on it, but it's beautiful, and it feels really well made. So, yeah, we'll use it and see what happens. Thanks for watching.